A chocolate you
Yes.
okay, so Yasin. All right, we move on. Speaking part 2. Describe a chocolate you didn't like. Didn't means past tense, so you will speak in the past tense. Please start.
The chocolate that I dislike was a coffee flavored dark chocolate. I remember one such occasion when my uncle came from Canada and gave me a pack of chocolate as a gift. It was its taste was very bitter. Uh, its outside packing is black,
Was black.
was black and printed with some coffee beans. I never heard this type of chocolate
I
brands.
had never heard.
I have never heard this type of chocolate brand, so I'm very excited to try
I
it.
was very excited to try.
I was very excited to try it. I thought that almost every chocolates were very sweet. So it has a bad experience.
I had a bad experience.
I had a bad experience when I try it. When I take a first bite of it.
Okay, see, when I try, use second form of the verb. When I tried it, when I took first bite of it. So just speak like this, okay? It's mainly tenses. We are using present tense for past topic. Now, let's move on. We have speaking part 3. All right. How often do you eat chocolate?
Well, I don't like to eat chocolate very often because it's almost 2 to 3 times a month on a month in a month, and I almost like to eat coconut chocolates.
Okay, first of all, you need to focus your tenses. Secondly, you need to focus the ideas, the answer, what you speak for that. Okay, and thirdly, try to be energetic and confident. Okay, thank you.